god.
It was like, boom, 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 boom. Saw my life flash before my eyes.
Yeah!
1 hour, we're heading to the golf course for work golf. I'm gonna get sloppy. Wash your dirty balls. Wash them. Get it. Get it. Get it. This next hole is ours.
You're welcome. My contribution for the day?
Ow! We're focused on straight.
That's too short. Why? What's that?
It's fine.
Like a 10-foot.
No, it was like a barrel roll, I said.
Let's see.
100%. Oh no, I can't even do it. Like it was like, boom, 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 boom. Saw my life flash before my eyes. Oh, they don't have to go.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna drive this all the way to the green.
Meet me up there. Okay.
Simon's drunk.
Oh, sorry, were you pouring a drink?
No. We should have invited your brother.
You can just keep working.
As seen on TV.
Drove past the ball.
Oh.
That's his decision,
That
not
was
mine.
really good.
Who paid the bill? I did not enjoy that experience.
Mr.
He's not gentle. Oh, sit. Hi, Simon. Sorry.
Bruh.
You're supposed to be on the green.
Get up.
Get off the green.
Was fucked. Right? Right? Oh my god.
Yeah, were you with me?
Simon, I don't know if you can go forward anymore, dude. Back that ass up.
Ah, get out of here. Get out of the way.
What are you doing?
Remember.
Hold that.
Simon's at.
People being still on our first 9, so.
Simon's a natural off-road kind of guy. Heck out hermit.
Yeah.
To the shrubs?
Up to the shrubs we go. Oh.
Up skirt.
What? We're not even done with the first fucking 9 yet.
Good fight, Simon.
No, it's not. Just no power to that.
Oh, it's so sad. Oh god, oh god. Shoot.
It's disturbing him.
Fuck.
Yeah, that counts. That counts.
Shut up. Fuck off.
Glass. Crush it. Christopher!
Yeah, I shouldn't have had the.
Wow!
Yeah!
Do it again!
In the hole. Better skate.
Accurate.
No, I'm supposed to sit here to be safe.
On that baby perfectly. Chippies!
And
It's a crazy vibe.
where are we?
Nice day for a trot. It's my public right to film here. It's my public right.
Giddy up!
Like to see you ride.